students, this is the second week of the MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In the first week, we have studied 3 modules. In the second week also, we are having 3 modules. The fourth module is on factors influencing waste generation and health hazards. Fifth module is on waste composition, and sixth module is on waste collection. Basically, there are 2 modules on waste collection. One will be in this second week and other will be in the third week. Let us see that what we are going to study in these lectures. In the module on factors influencing waste generation and health hazards, in this module we shall be studying about various factors influencing waste generation. We will also study environmental effects caused by waste generation and disposal, and finally, in this module we will study about health hazards associated with waste generation and waste disposal. In next module of this week, we will study about waste composition. In this module, we will study about different constituents of the municipality solid waste. We will study about various factors that govern waste composition, and we will also study about the status of municipality solid waste in India. In the last module of second week, we will study about waste collection. In this module, we will be concentrating on the concept of waste collection, components of waste collection system, characteristics of waste storage containers used in waste collection, and finally, we will study the types of vehicles used in waste collection. I hope you will enjoy these modules. Thank you.